Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oba Skin is my name. Today video I'm going to teach you how to formulate your own night lotion, and this lotion is good for dark skin and fair skin. The reason why I call this lotion a night lotion is because of the fruit acid in it, which is alpha hydroxide, and it is best to use alpha hydroxide product in the night because of heat. If you decide to use it in the morning, you have to use sunscreen, so the best way, use it at night. This alpha hydroxide lotion will exfoliate your skin, rebuild your skin, and at the same time moisturize your skin. So if you're a fair skin person and you use this night lotion, your skin lightening process or the dark spot you want to clear is going to speed it up very fast, and it will clear all the dark spot very fast because you don't have any dead skin cells sitting on your skin. And if you are a dark person and you use this lotion and you use your moisturizer in the morning, it's going to make you glow. It will not lighten your skin, but rather it will make you glow, and your dark skin tone will look very smooth and nice. But those who are fair person or those who want to whiten or lighten their dark spot, because they are using lightening lotion in the morning, that's the reason why this night lotion is going to help that lightening lotion to speed up the process of the lightening. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video. Also, if you have any requests, just comment below, and if you have any question about this video, please comment below and I'm ready to answer you. Let's start making our recipe.
Let's measure our ingredient. We are going to need distilled water. You really need distilled water because we don't want our product to be contaminated. Also, we are going to use vegetable glycerin so that our skin will be moisturized very well. And this night lotion is very good for the skin because it really exfoliates the skin. You need Xanthan Gum, that is a thickener, and I'm using carrot tissue oil. And carrot tissue oil is normally infused with sunflower oil. I bought it, I didn't make it myself. Also, I'll be using sweet almond oil and still alcohol, which is for also a thickener. The reason why I love this lotion is because it exfoliates the skin, it removes blemishes, it removes dark spots, and at the same time help your morning lotion or your lightening lotion or your whitening lotion or moisturizer to work very faster for you. So if you are using any product and you use this type of lotion, it's going to help you to see the results very faster. So I'm using AHA fruit acid, which is the main ingredient, and I really love this particular fruit acid. This alpha hydroxide acid is made of 4 acids, that's glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, and tartaric acid. That's the reason why I really love it. So it's going to help exfoliate our skin, clear blemishes. So I'm doing the water freeze. What I do is I added my vegetable glycerin to the water and my Xanthan Gum, and I'm doing the oil freeze, which I have added my Polawax, that's an emulsifying wax, and I'm going to add my Cetyl alcohol so that I can double boil. But before we do that, I'm going to check the pH of my alpha hydroxide fruit acid because I need a pH of 4 before I can add it to my lotion. So it's easy to do pH. You can use pH straight or pH meter. Normally I use both. So now I have 4. I'll set it aside and double boil my water freeze and my oil freeze for them to melt. Today I use double boiler because people were asking me how to do double boiler. This is how we do double boiler. So what I'm going to do next is to blend my water freeze so that the Xanthan Gum can mix well with the water. So you blend it very well before we add it to the oil freeze. So I will add it to my oil freeze, and the carrot tissue oil contains beta carotene, which is very good for blemishes, dark spots, and the rest, and the sweet almond oil too can whiten skin. What we are going to do next is to blend our lotion. That's the water phase and the oil phase to get our lotion. So the alpha hydroxide in the lotion, which we are going to add to the lotion, can shed off the outermost layer of the skin cells, reduce and renewal of your skin cell layer, and increase the moisturizing level of the skin, which improve the flexibility of the upper layer. So we are going to get all this benefit in it, but it's good that you use it at night because of sun. If you use it in the morning, please protect your skin using sunscreen. Next, I will add my preservative, and I'm using Germall Plus preservative. So you add it to it and you stir very well. This is one of my favorite preservative I use because of its pH. And I'll add my alpha hydroxide acid. I'm going to add my essential oil. So I will stir very well. So I will allow the lotion to cool down before I do the pH test. So I have set the lotion into a water bath, which is a cold water, so they can cool down. So I want pH of 4 for my lotion so that this alpha hydroxide can work well for us. So I want pH of 4 or 4.5. So when you do it and you get 4, it's okay, or 4.5 is okay. So it's so easy. It's so easy to test your pH so that your product will work well. So now I got the pH of 4. I'll pour my lotion into my clean bottle. Normally the pH of alpha hydroxide is very low, so we need to adjust it or raise it up. So when I was raising it up, I used 10% solution of sodium hydroxide. So if you want to make 10% solution of sodium hydroxide, you need 45 grams of distilled water and 5 grams of sodium hydroxide. So you are making it, you add your sodium hydroxide to your water and you stir very well to become hot. So when everything dissolves and cool down, you bottle it down. So anytime you want to test your pH, you want to raise your pH up, you just put a drop, you stir, then you take the pH of it. If you haven't get the right pH, you add a drop until you get the right pH that you want. So if you want me to make a video and discuss about pH, please let me know. It's so easy to make. So see how beautiful our lotion is. I pour it into a clean sanitized container, and this lotion really works very well. It really exfoliates your skin very well. So those who don't like to exfoliate your skin with body scrub, this is the easiest way to get a clean skin. So beautiful. This lotion, you can also use glycolic acid. If you have only glycolic acid, you can replace it with the fruit acid and rather use the glycolic acid. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and please leave me a comment. Bye bye.